What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis and of course also crypto.com CRO token analysis, guys, because this is the star of the moment right now. We're gonna have a look into that. So yes, guys, I am back in my office. My summer vacation unfortunately is already over, so we're gonna have a look into that, guys. I just woke up and of course I'm having my first cup of coffee again here. So we're gonna have a look into different things like the CRO coin, of course Bitcoin, and also some new upcoming cryptos, because right now we are in the middle or at the beginning of a massive altcoin season. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. As always, guys, you know that I'm updating you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space, and of course also whenever I'm traveling. So make sure to be subscribed, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to update you whatever I'm buying and selling and trading. I give you always my own price predictions, my own price analysis, and of course also market analysis here in the crypto space. And also if you want to be on board here, make sure to be subscribed. Hit that like button, subscribe. Also put that bell notification thing on, and of course also check out all links in the video description, such as the new complete list of new hyped upcoming crypto low market cap coins here, like Bitcoin Hyper that is going viral right now, this one over here that currently everyone is talking about, since of course Bitcoin is also bullish. Now we have also new Bitcoin projects upcoming that are looking great, and of course also if you want to trade on exchanges like Bybit, Fimex, Maxi Global and so on, use my sign up links, guys, to get extra deposit bonuses. And also for Bybit, guys, make sure to be signing up right now with my link to Bybit and also be part of this big trading event that is taking place every year, guys. The total prize pool is around 10 millions, and the competition is basically starting today. So you can of course also be part of my team if you want. Alessandro the Crypto Team is the name if you want to trade here on my team. I hope that I'm going to have enough time, guys, to trade on during the event. Of course I will do some trades, and hopefully also you are participating here as well. So check it out, guys, because a lot of prizes can be won here, and of course everything is no financial advice, guys. It's all high risk also when you're trading with leverage here on this trading event and so on. So always keep that in mind. But we have already a team with over 22 members here, and let's hope that we can also get a piece of the pie, hopefully. But anyway, we are here for the fun and of course to do some nice trades. Hopefully we're gonna have some nice trade opportunities here, and therefore of course have some fun here while trading on this trading event. So guys, before we're gonna start of course with the CRO coin that currently is pumping like crazy. I mean, since the news came out that Trump is going to do a crypto.com token treasury, then this coin pumped like over 50%, and of course those are news driven events. But I think that long term of course the CRO is also bullish, and in my opinion it can even go to $1, guys, in my opinion, because also in the previous bull run we had CRO trading at around 80 cents. So $1 in my opinion is not too far-fetched right now. But first we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, and before we're gonna dive into the lower time frames, I want to show you quickly again in the higher time frames here the MACD and also the RSI, and this is like the key point on the weekly time frame that makes me a bit concerned right now, that eventually we could face during this month of August, that we just have a few days left, maybe even in September, a bit more downside before eventually we're gonna continue here the bull run. And that is because of the RSI and also the MACD. You can see that right now we are having a bearish cross on the MACD. We are turning into red. Also the RSI got rejected exactly as I was afraid of here at the resistance trend line, exactly the same like we also had in the previous bull run, where Bitcoin created higher highs always, but the RSI created lower highs, and you can see that the end is ended up in a huge bear market. And right now we're doing exactly the same. It is of course a bit different from the previous one, but more or less here with the RSI having lower highs and the price action having higher highs, we have the same bearish divergence. And also right now we are having now the third bearish MACD cross than the same like in the previous basically local tops here. So even though we were in an uptrend, we had local tops here of course before another consolidation phase or even a crash before we had higher, and this could happen here next too. And this crash, in my opinion, could lead, like in the previous time here, you can see that we came down to the previous toppy area here, and Bitcoin is again in the same area right here at around 110k. Maybe we can even drop down towards 100k or even down here towards 97. That is possible in my opinion, but you can see that right now we are having that bearish cross on the MACD. And also, if we go over into the Bitcoin price, you can see that here on my indicators. So first of all, of course, we are still trading above the 20 weekly moving average, which is good, of course, but although you can see that we are far away from the 50 weekly moving average at 95k. That is currently the moving average that Bitcoin is always bouncing off whenever we are having those bigger crashes. And that's why I think that we could eventually even see Bitcoin dropping below 100k again, before we gear up here for a massive big pump and go, of course, towards 150k and much higher levels. This is what I'm afraid of here a bit, and that of course would shake out a lot of people here in the crypto space, in my opinion, especially the ones that are FOMOing in right here at around 120k if Bitcoin would drop again below 100k. That is what I'm concerned a bit. Also in my own indicators, you can see we got sell signals. We have now bearish cross confirmations, and they could of course lead into a prolonged consolidation phase or even corrective phase for Bitcoin at least. For the altcoins, I'm not 100% sure. Of course, if Bitcoin would crash down, I think also most of the altcoins would crash down. But right now, since the Bitcoin dominance is falling off the cliffs, there is a chance that, of course, the altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, maybe even CRO can still hold the line and of course not crash like Bitcoin eventually could do that. So watch out for that, guys, because on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin at the moment it's looking a bit bearish right now, and that could also mean that we're just gonna have an inflow from Bitcoin, money from Bitcoin going into altcoins like Ethereum, and this is of course bullish for the altcoins, but bearish for Bitcoin, of course, and that's why we have to keep an eye on that, guys. Otherwise, if you're trading right now on the trading competition, of course you can also do some short-term trades, because Bitcoin is of course here still in the downtrend, so currently shorting is better than longing, and of course we're gonna have also some bounces on the way to the downside. Also now, if I open up here my indicators, let me quickly have a look into that, how this is looking like. You can see that money flow is negative, it is still decreasing. So yes, even though sometimes we have bullish divergence with the RSI and so on, we get little bounces, but at the end we are coming back down. So at the moment Bitcoin is in a downtrend here, short term. Long term of course uptrend, but correction is likely incoming. But for the altcoins right now, guys, it is looking very, very great, especially for the CRO coin, since Trump Media is setting up now a CRO strategy, is buying in 6.4 billion deal with crypto.com. And we have of course on all front bullish news about CRO and other cryptos with low market cap, and I mean, CRO.com has, of course, the CRO token has, of course, a high market cap already, but of course, in comparison to other big cryptos and large caps, it's still nothing. That's why here the upside potential is huge, of course. If you look into the indicators, of course, they are quite overbought right now since the move was very aggressive, but money flow is starting to pick up right now. And you can see since here, basically, since around 12 cents, we started to have positive money flow, and now it is increasing rapidly. If we go over into the weekly time frame, also here you can see that we are still far away from the all-time high, almost at $1. And of course, with these bullish circumstances that we have right now, we have very, very good chances to see a big breakout here for, basically crypto.com. You can see that we are also forming this potential double bottom formation here. The breakout target would be, in theory, something like that. So around 60 cents, so 3x from here. Of course, take it with a grain of salt, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. It is, of course, high risk to trade right now, especially after such a move. But you can see that the CRO coin very often is having those big moves. Then it dumps again, big move, then it dumps again. Also here in 2021, a huge rise to almost $1, and then we crashed down to 4 cents or almost 5 cents. And of course, right now we're picking up again. So yes, during this altcoin season, I think that CRO coin will do great. I mean, also Ethereum is still holding the line here. And here we're still waiting for the big breakout. As you can see, we're still in this rising wedge. In theory, a bearish pattern, but sometimes even during a bearish pattern, during a bull run, Bitcoin or Ethereum is often breaking out and to the upside, even though it is forming a bearish pattern. So let's wait here for the breakout of Ethereum. Tron also bullish, Solana also bullish. Everything is pumping, guys. And of course, whenever an altcoin season is starting, those large caps are pumping usually at first, and then we're gonna see the altcoins also catching up at some time. Of course, CRO coin now is leading basically this news here, the market, and everyone is watching at that. But of course, the star of the show is still Bitcoin, guys. That's why we have to wait and see what happens with Bitcoin as well, because this will determine basically if the altcoin season or the altcoins gonna pump immediately into the altcoin season and into new all-time highs, or if first we're gonna have here another corrective phase before we gear up for massive new highs everywhere. So I remain a bit cautious here, guys, because of the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin needs to pump in order that the altcoins are also really pumping. Of course, they can a bit pump more, even if Bitcoin is crashing down, but not for the long term. I think if Bitcoin would start a massive crash, then of course we should be very, very careful then also with the altcoins, because of course Bitcoin is still the king, and Bitcoin needs to pump in order to see also a big altcoin season, or at least go sideways but not crashing. Alright guys, so that's it for now. I'm gonna keep you updated. I'm gonna do some other videos, otherwise this video is going to be too long, because we have bullish news on all ends, especially on Maxi Doge, Bitcoin Hyper and Wall Street Pepe. Bitcoin Hyper is breaking into new records, guys, over 12 millions raised. If you want to get on board here, the link is in the video description here for Bitcoin Hyper. Make sure to get some. Of course, also here high risk, but if this one is coming out and everything is going well, then of course we can here make some nice gains here. And I'm converting everything into Bitcoin, guys, of course, but also never sell everything. I'm always keeping some of those coins because they are low market cap, and of course here if something happens with CRO, that we're gonna get like a very big hype or bullish news around a new project like Bitcoin Hyper, then of course the coin can explode like crazy. And this one over here has only 90% staking rewards left, guys, so if you're buying in right now, then I would buy without staking because the API is not anymore so high. When I bought initially here, I got a very high API, so I also did a video how to buy and stake it, of course. So if you joined at that time, you should also have now more rewards than the coins that you purchased. So now let's wait for the launch. I think at around 50 millions it will be launching, so hurry up, get some Bitcoin Hyper tokens before it is launching. Keep you updated on this project as well, and also we have others like Maxi Doge, Wall Street Pepe, and so on. This one, for example, is now also launching on Solana, guys, and since I'm bullish on Solana and all sort of Solana meme coins, I think that also this one here, of course, has great upside potential. There is a big hype around this one. They are also bringing out their own NFTs, so that's why I think that here everything is setting up for a massive launch, and of course also for a big hype during this altcoin season. Then we have also token 6900, guys, also raising a lot of funds. Hurry up also for this one here, launching at 5 millions hard cap. Now we are at 2.7 millions, so check it out, guys. Just connect here the wallet and then you're ready to go. You can see that also here they're most likely going to launch before these 5 millions are reached, so in 1 day and 3 hours left. So hurry up, guys. This is the last chance to get on board into token 6900. Then I don't know if they're gonna just close the pre-market phase or if they immediately are going to launch the coin. So stay tuned, guys. I keep you updated. A lot of things are going on, and that's why make sure to be subscribed. I keep you updated. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.